usually means a kidney has to be sold. I think that'll just need a blob of weld. Hi folks and welcome back! Today we begin with the fabrication of a small brake line that was cut off during the previous episode, so let's go! First off, the new copper nickel brake pipe is cut to the desired size. Each end is flared for their male brake pipe nut, but only one side at a time, because it is very easy to forget to fit the male nuts after flaring an end. Just a quick check to see if the male end screws in correctly. Another job done. Let's go to the front of the car and fit brand new brake pipes.
What I've done is
Going all over the new paint. Gee, God.
Damn, that splash there, did you see it?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Oh, come on out.
Wow.
Bit of silicone spray will help to...
Why didn't you just cut it off?
True, why didn't I cut it off? Absolutely.
Oh, okay.
Look how it's...
Whoa, that's interesting. That's the new one.
Yeah, this is where I had a real job of putting it on.
It's good quality rubber, this. Oh, I see. Okay.
I see. I tell you need every bit... Oh, Josie, just give it a rest.
Wait.
Just switch that up.
Can I just...
Oh, you can have a go, yeah. Yeah, you'll be struggling though, young man.
No, not even that way. Christ, I'll actually be ripping apart.
Amanya.
Yes.
Amanya. Foxmano.
Yeah. What was the difficulty, Dad? What was the difficulty, Dad? Please, go on. What was so difficult?
Well done.
What was so difficult?
Well done. It did it.
Yeah. Big hands. No good.
I must be losing my strength.
No, it's not that.
I got it all.
Brute forcing is not always the solution. Instead.
That one goes in there,
Yes.
and that
Springs out.
goes in there.
After finishing the other side, we went back to the rear. The last pipe of the fuel system is connected. These high pressure fuel pipes were brand newish, and 1 year and 2 months later we discovered that they were a bad batch, as you can see. Clearly not fit for fuels with high percentages of ethanol and hot Portuguese summers.
Oh, it's wrong. It's got to go in between these wires because it's the reason is there's just not enough wiring.
Right, yeah. After much fiddling, we filled up the tank and checked if there were any leaks. Nah, we're still here. Nothing near the back. And sounds like it's now fully under pressure.
I want to switch it off.
We have a small little bypass wire to keep the fuel pump working despite the ignition not being on. You can reach to it and disconnect it. There it is, that's our little trick.
Not what one should do.
And I'm putting back the fuel relay. Oh, please tell me I'm putting it in the right way. And should have a cap, but they're obsolete. Let's see if the car still starts. Perfection.
Right.
Coming up. Next, the rear suspension goes back onto the car.
Is that in?
Well, yeah, what do you want me to do? Gone through the hole. I can't see anything wrong.
Yeah, do you know what it is?
The new rubbers are...
So tight.
Yeah, do you want me to push it up?
No, we've got a problem here. What it is this rubber won't go over this nut. Do you see? It's like that up there, and it's got to be forced like that.
But you haven't got the space to do that, do you?
I need to get into the car and do it. It went in. Oh!
Okay, tighten it.
Just don't take it off yet. Once I get the nut on, I'm okay, I'm happy. Right, I've got the nut on.
Okay.
Right, you can let go. Push. No, just on there.
Have you put the grip there?
Yes, it's on. That's it, it's gone down already.
Well, that was easier. Got it?
Yeah, it's okay, let go now. Have we got it faced the right way round? I think the nut.
Yeah, everything's fine, yeah. The real challenge begins. The car's too low now.
No, they've got those shock absorbers the wrong way.
What do you mean got the shock absorbers though?
It doesn't matter, you just turn them around.
How?
I thought about turning them.
I didn't know you could.
We'll take the other side off and put the nuts and bolts, and they should be all molybdenum greased already. Now put them on the lift arm, Josie.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
I'm going to just tighten these up a bit, not to put them on the handy load. I just want to get them.
It's sort of there. Yours needs to be in a. For me, it needs to be like that. That's perfect.
We've got the brakes to put connect up, Zay.
I know the handbrake. You mean? Yeah, the pipes. Yeah.
That down a bit more, I think.
Yeah.
We'll get the shock absorbers in if we can.
Well, I can see the holes on your side, but not on mine.
I just want to do it so it's not really loose, you know.
Go on. Oh, yeah, the shocks are in. Everything. Oh, wait. Forget what I said. Now we have to readjust everything. Ooh. Ah, yeah. That's wonderful. Yay! Okay. It's in, and the battery nearly ran out. 12%.
It's in, but it's not
Fully in, but I don't care. It looks nice on the camera, that's all that matters. And that is it, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything and it truly helps with the growth of this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye!